Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This is the 2025 Head Radical MP tennis racket. Now unfortunately, because it's a tennis racket, I can't show you the most important thing, and that's what does it feel like when you hit a tennis ball. But I figure if nothing else, we can do an unboxing, maybe talk about some of the specs of the racket, show you what it looks like, and if nothing else, give you an idea of what it looks like should you decide to order it. I ordered it directly from Head. They have it in various different stores like Tennis Express, all of your local tennis stores. But that's what it looks like. Let's get out of the plastic and we'll take a look at the racket. So I mentioned that this is the Head Radical 2025. The Head Radical series has actually been around for quite a while. It was actually made the most popular probably back in the 90s when Andre Agassi was the sponsor for this racket line. And then over the years, at least from the male side, you've had different players like Andy Murray who used this Radical line, and currently Taylor Fritz is the one who's using it. Now Taylor Fritz is using the summer variation, which is a different color than this dual orange color scheme that I got. I'm not going to go through everything. There's a lot of specs on the Head website. I will list that on the video. Just some of the basics though, it is a 98-inch head size. The weight is 10.6 ounces unstrung, the way I have it right now. Should be about 11.2 ounces with strings on it. It's got a 66 RA stiffness rating. It's going to use a 16x9 string pattern. Your string tension can be anywhere between 48 and 57 pounds. Really designed more for probably an intermediate to advanced player, especially with that 98-inch head size. Again, I'm just going to let you look at some of the things. It's a tennis racket, so you really have to get in your hand and hit with it to get a full feel for whether or not this racket is right for you. But nothing else, I thought it might be beneficial for somebody who's sitting out there, they want to order it or just want to see some close-ups of what this racket looks like. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.